Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin with accessing settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on About Device section over here under System Settings. Then you need to click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Buffy. When you're ready, you can save your name by choosing Save over here. And as you can see, after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!